Hello friends, so let's welcome to all of you. Today we will start about the EDI ANSI X12 success. So what is EDI X12? So EDI ANSI X12 is stand for the Electronic Data Interchange American National Standard Institute X12. The EDI X12 structure was developed to the grow on the use of EDI to exchange information electronically between businesses. The EDI NCX12 standard is most prevalent in the United States and has counterparts used in other parts of the world, like UN and EDI facts standards. That is the equivalent of EDI NCX12 outside the US. And EDI transaction signed in the United States must conform to the EDI NCX12 standard in order to be EDI compliant. And while there are a number of the EDI NCX12 compliant software translator, not all EDI NCX12 software is created equal. History of the EDI X12. If we talk about the history, the EDI X12 history standards were first become the ratified and available in the 1981. But the origin of the what becomes the EDI X12 standard go much further back. The purchaser of the EDI X12 go as far as back to 1960 when railroad companies formed a committee that dealt with the equality of the intercompany communication. The next big leap for what would become EDX12 came in the 1970s when the grocery industry began to use EDI and proliferated the early form of technology. By 1973, the committee that had been established in the 1960s decided to create a set of the standard that all EDI users could use to make exchange of information seamless. And these standards eventually become ratified as the EDA X12 structure in use today. Future of the EDA X12. What is the future of the EDA X12? The future of the EDA X12 is a quite safe and sounds. While some academic types have been signing the praises of using XML, a replacement of for EDI, the retailers, which drives adoption of B2B electronic commerce, have steadfastly relied on EDI and CX12 as their preferred method of exchanging transactions data. This insistence on the part of the retailers to use EDI and CX12 guarantees that the standard will be around for years to come. What is EDI 204? So today is our main topic in the EDI 204. So we will learn about that what is the 204 transaction set. EDI 204 is modern carrier load tender. Is a document set that is used to present an offer for a shipment to full truckloads motor carrier. It can be used to create a new shipment, update or replace an existing shipment or cancel a shipment altogether. The purpose of the ADI 204 is to communicate all relevant information regarding the shipment requirement and cost to ensure the carrier is able to make an informed decision. Information conveyed in the ADI 204. What are the information can be conveyed in the 204 transaction set in the ADI against the X12? And ADI 204 transaction set is the provided detailed pickup and delivery information for a load, usually for a single pickup locations. And this may include some of or all the information is following below. Carrier information, secondary description of goods including weight and size, expected schedule, equipment, truck like requirement, shipping instruction, contact information and location of the recipient. How an EDI 204 is handled. A carrier may respond to an EDI 204 document with an EDI 990 response to a load tender transaction set, indicating whether it's accept or the offer or not. It's accepted, the carrier will provide an EDI 20214 shipment status message. That means which outlines the shipment, pickup and delivery information for the trading partner. The 204 motor carrier load tender set is only used for full truckload shipments. So it is not appropriate for a less than truckload bill of lading information. Functions like if we talk about the NK carrier will often respond to a 204 transaction sets with an NNT response to load tender transaction set to indicate whether it is accepted or decline the offer for the shipment. If the tender is accepted, the carrier will provide 214 shipment status report transaction to inform the trading partner of pickup and delivery information. The 204 transaction set is only for full truckload a shipment, thus it is not to be used for providing motor carriers with less than truckload bill of lading information. There is a multiple important question are there if you are giving the interview regarding the 204 transactions act, then these are the important questions. This might be asked in your interviews. So EDI 204, what is called? 204 is called the motor carrier load tender. What is the 204 motor carrier load tender? The EDI 204 is the motor carrier load tender. It's utilized by shippers to tender an offer for a shipment to a full truckload motor carrier. The EDI load tender can be used to create a new shipment, update or replace a shipment or cancel a shipment. How next was in the house an EDI 204 motor carrier load is used. The EDI 204 motor carrier load tender is sent to a transportation provider by shipper. Shippers, the sender of the EDI 204s, may include manufacturers, distributions, centers, warehouses, or any other organization that handles and ships goods. An EDI 204 transaction provide details, pickup and delivery information to the carrier for a load, mostly for a single pickup location. What other transactions are used alongside the EDI 204? After an EDI 204 is sent by the shipper, and this initial interaction will set off a set of EDI transaction in response. EDI 204 tenders of an offer for a shipment to carrier. So the carrier responds to the with an EDI and land response to a load tender transaction set indicating whether it's accepted or declined that the offer to tender a shipment. If the tender is accepted, the carrier the carrier will then send an EDI 214 shipment status report to inform the shipper or of pickup and delivery information. It can be like called as an acknowledgement of the status of the delivery. Okay. Finally, then EDI 210 motor carrier freight details and invoices sent by the carrier to the shipper or consigning to the request payment or foreign charges. Right charges. The EDI 210 replaces a paper invoices. EDI 204 specifications. The X12 transaction set is contain the format and stabilizes the data content of the motor carrier load tender transaction sets 204 for use within the context of the EDA electron data interchange environment. That this transaction set can be used to allow shipper to or other interested parties to offer tender shipment to a full load truckload motor carrier, including details, scheduling, equipment requirement, commodities and shipping instructions pertinent to a load tender. It's not to used to provide a motor carrier with the data relatives to less than truckloads, bill of lading, packing, pickup notification, or manifest. And thank you, friends. If you like my video, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you, friends, for coming and becoming stay on this channel. Thank you.